Today, I'll show you how to compare hotels on Agoda so you can feel confident you're choosing the best place for your stay. We'll go from the initial search to opening and reviewing multiple options, and finally to picking the one that fits you best. Follow along step by step and feel free to pause as you go. First, head over to the Agoda website or open the Agoda app on your device. On the main page, you'll see a search bar where you can enter your destination. Type in the city or area you're traveling to, then select your check-in and check-out dates. Make sure these dates are accurate because prices and availability can change a lot depending on your exact stay. Next, choose how many guests and rooms you need. Once everything looks correct, click or tap the search button to see the available hotels. You'll now see a list of properties that match your search. This is your starting point. At this stage, don't worry about making a final decision. You're just gathering options. Scroll through the list and look for hotels that catch your eye based on the photos, the location, or the brief details like star rating and review score. When something looks promising, instead of clicking directly into it and losing your place, open it in a new tab if you're on a computer. You can usually do this by right-clicking the hotel name and choosing to open in a new tab, or by holding down a modifier key while you click. On mobile, you can tap and hold the link and then select the option to open it in a new tab in your browser. Repeat this for several hotels that seem like they might work for you. Aim for 3 to 5 options so you have enough to compare, but not so many that it becomes overwhelming. Once you've opened a handful, move to those tabs one by one and start reviewing the details more carefully. In each hotel listing, focus on 3 main things: price, ratings, and amenities. Start with the price. Check the total cost for your dates, not just the nightly rate. Look for any taxes, service fees, or additional charges that may appear during the booking process. Note whether the rate includes things like breakfast or free cancellation, because those can add value even if the base price looks a little higher. Next, pay attention to the ratings and reviews. Look at the overall score, but also read a few recent reviews to get a sense of what guests liked and didn't like. Reviews can highlight issues that aren't obvious from photos, such as noise levels, cleanliness, or the accuracy of the location description. Take note of patterns rather than one-off complaints. Then review the amenities. Check whether the hotel offers what you personally need: Wi-Fi, air conditioning or heating, parking, a gym, a pool, or a 24-hour front desk. Also confirm the room type, bed size, and whether there are any extras like a kitchenette or workspace if those matter to you. Once you've gone through each tab and noted the price, ratings, and amenities, start comparing them directly. Ask yourself which option offers the best balance for your budget and priorities. One hotel might be cheaper but farther from the city centre. Another might cost a bit more but include breakfast and have significantly better reviews. When you've weighed these factors, choose the hotel that best matches your needs and comfort level. Close the other tabs, return to your chosen listing, and you're ready to proceed with the booking.